Redmi Pad 2 Pro is easily the best value for money tablet ever created, and when I say best value for money, I really mean it, because recently I also got basically the new Samsung Galaxy S10 FE and also the newest iPad, essentially. And really, both of these tablets actually cost literally 2 times as much as this one, but they really perform the same and also pretty much have the same power. But again, this is literally 2 times cheaper, so yeah, this is absolutely insane what we're getting here. So over here I have 6GB RAM version and also 128GB storage. You can also get it with 8GB of RAM as well and 256GB of storage if you pay a bit more. Okay, so let's check it out. Again, when it comes to battery, this completely destroys every other tablet as well. Also inside the box we get a bunch of manuals here, your cable, and also even a charging brick. So yep, basically none of those other tablets even come with a charger brick, but literally this 2 times cheaper unit even comes with a charger brick. And also we have our ejector pin here. And over here I have the silver version. It actually looks very decent as well, and the build quality feels mega premium. Obviously this is full metal build quality here. So we have our camera, and this is a flash, the second basically lens, that's not a camera. So we have our volume buttons here, power button on the top, and also we have 4 Dolby Atmos speakers here as well. Okay, so you see 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, our headphone jack, and also Type-C over here. And also we have our slot here for our memory card as well. And when it comes to display quality, it's absolutely insane what we are getting over here. So we have a bit over 12 inches on this display. So if you're wondering what the size is, this is iPhone 17 over here. So you can see just how insanely huge this tablet actually is. So essentially the size of almost like a decent laptop, essentially the screen. So yeah, I mean the size is absolutely insanely good on this one. And also, for example, this is that Samsung S10 FE essentially, so literally this costs 2 times as much, but if you check the screen quality, they're pretty much the same really. So again, I mean the screen is absolutely insane on this Redmi tablet. Also you see it's obviously much larger as well, and yeah, when you are browsing something, this obviously is way better essentially. And also you see even the bezels on the Redmi are actually maybe tiny bit smaller than on the Samsung tablet, again, which cost literally 2 times as much. So yeah, when it comes to display, really no other tablet in the market actually offers this kind of display here. Also the display visibility outdoors also on this tablet is absolutely awesome as well. And yeah, the viewing angles and how it actually looks like, you definitely feel that you are using like some kind of super high-end tablet essentially. So yeah, when it comes to display, it's pretty much impossible to beat this tablet. And again, when it comes to the price, I paid exactly 200 euros for this tablet, for this spec I have over here, for this price, to get this build quality and also the display. Really, this is completely unheard of. So yeah, display looks absolutely insane on this thing. And when it comes to performance, also this tablet is actually very decent. So I have the benchmark over here if you're interested in that stuff. But yeah, if you simply use it for basic everyday tasks, really it's buttery smooth essentially for pretty much 99% of tasks. As you see, everything loads pretty much instantly. There isn't much delay between opening stuff essentially. And again, if you are simply browsing some websites, again, so as you see, the experience is absolutely awesome on this tablet. Everything is fast, and yeah, combined with this nice display, browsing websites, watching some videos, on it is absolute joy essentially. Also, if we compare the performance of this tablet versus Samsung's 2 times more expensive tablet, so maybe you're only getting like 10% better performance on the Samsung tablet, but you really have to pay 2 times as much. So yeah, when it comes to value for money, really no other tablet can actually beat this tablet. And I would say the power is actually so good on this tablet that you can easily connect a keyboard, a mouse to it, and literally use it as a mini PC as well. For example, writing some documents. Or also, literally, you can also use the styles as well if you want to draw on this tablet. So simply in this Notes app. So you see, you can easily even draw on this thing as well. Yeah, obviously I'm a huge professional. Also, we can very easily multitask as well on this tablet. For example, if you want to watch a video on this side, so click basically this, so it opens apps, click and hold, press this icon over here, and then select the second app, for example, a calculator. So you see, you can basically run this YouTube player on this side, while you have basically a calculator on this side. So you see, you can do something here, for example, while also doing something here. Also, for example, you see, you can click this and also pop it up, basically, so it can be moved around here, like this as well. So if you, for example, want to close this, so click this again, close that tab, and for example, you still have this floating window here. So yeah, also the system overall and how it performs and what you can do, I think is absolutely amazing on this tablet as well. And also for gaming, this tablet is absolutely superb due to its excellent screen and also very nice power on it as well. So yeah, it's absolute joy to actually play games on this tablet. Also, I find the thermal efficiency on this tablet also absolutely superb. So you see currently indoors a bit under 17 degrees. If we check the tablet, maybe extra 5-degree difference. So you see, yeah, absolutely insanely good result as well. Also, of course, we can even easily connect external controllers as well to this tablet to enjoy the best experience. Also, when it comes to battery life, this tablet also is pretty much unbeatable really, especially if you compare it to competition. So when it comes to battery life, I find it pretty much like you can use it for multiple days essentially. So if you are a basic user, even if you use it quite a lot essentially. So we get 12,000 mAh capacity on this bad boy essentially. Again, if you look at competition, really no other tablet actually offers this kind of capacity. When it comes to the charging speeds, they're actually also fairly decent, but maybe not as fast as on some higher end tablets. Maybe that is one limitation, but again, for its price, I'm not complaining at all essentially. Yeah, the battery life on this thing is absolutely insane. Also, you see, when it comes to thickness, obviously also this is a very slim device essentially as well. So to actually stuff in that kind of huge battery inside here, yeah, that's absolutely awesome. Also on this tablet we are getting fairly decent cameras as well. So again, on the rear this is a main camera, this is a flash. On the front we also have selfie cam, which also is very good for example for video calls. And if you check the camera quality, it's actually much better than I thought it will be actually on this tablet. So when it comes to details and exposure, we actually get very decent results here. So you see it's pretty much pinch sharp and also very good overall exposure. So even if you punch in, so you see it's actually a very detailed camera over here. And also we can easily record the videos as well with this as well. So if you want to, when it comes to negatives, sometimes basically if you actually try to put something very close, it has a bit of trouble focusing. So again, if you want to use it for some macro, maybe not the best, but for rest really, I think it's absolutely awesome. So you see, yeah, the detail actually is very good and overall exposure here. Again, let's switch to, for example, to the video here. Obviously, we do not have any stabilization for the video, but really, again, this is only a tablet really. And yeah, also you see when it comes to playback, it works absolutely fast as well, and so really can't complain at all actually, especially at this price. So again, when it comes to resolution, we have only Full HD resolution, so no 4K, but really, yeah, for this price, I think the quality definitely is actually better than I thought it will be. You even have some Pro mode, where you can adjust maybe some settings as well. And also we have this document scanning mode here as well, where you can easily scan documents as well. So yeah, also the camera on this is, yeah, definitely much better than I thought it will be. And if you're wondering how is the speaker quality on this tablet, so we get two over here and two over here, and generally actually the speaker quality is very decent, so can't complain at all, especially knowing the price of the tablet. But for example, if we compare to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, then the speaker actually definitely is better basically on this 2 times more expensive unit. Also again, if we compare with the iPad, so the newest iPad essentially, then again the speakers also sound more fuller basically on the iPad. But again, so if you do not compare them side by side, you'll absolutely love it probably as well on this tablet. So yeah, speakers also very good on this tablet overall, and also very good volume. And overall, is the new Redmi Pad 2 Pro actually worth it, and should you maybe get this tablet? Well, I can actually highly suggest this tablet, because if you look at the competition, really no other tablet in the market even comes close to this tablet. If you consider the spec of it, also overall display quality, size, absolutely insane battery life, and also the power. So literally for this exact model I paid actually right around 200 euros essentially, or $200. If you also perhaps want to get it for a similar price, simply check out the special discount links I'll leave in the description. So I got mine from AliExpress, and that also was with free shipping essentially. Also I'll leave some coupons that you can combine with this price, and again bring it actually a bit under 200 euros or dollars for this price. Really, it's totally unbeatable. Also, about a month ago, I also had basically this new Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 on my channel, if you check my other videos, and essentially I paid exactly the same price for this tablet and this Redmi Pad 2. Essentially, again, this is also one of the most popular tablets in the world at the moment, essentially. But that tablet, in my opinion, was absolutely pathetic for that price, essentially. So basically, first, the display quality was absolutely trash on it if you compare to this one. So again, literally maybe like 5 times better display, also much better display technology, and also much better size as well on this tablet. Also, battery on this one, I think, was like only like 5000 mAh. So again, this completely destroys that also when it comes to battery life, and also when it comes to power. This also is literally like 2 times more powerful than that tablet as well. And also build quality also on this actually is even more nicer as well. So yeah, if you look at the competition and what other manufacturers offer for the same price, really this tablet, yeah, doesn't even come close to anything else when it comes to value for money. Again, if you also want to get it for right around maybe like $200 or euros, yeah, check out those special discount links for this price. Absolutely insane deal. Anyway, good luck.